This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Okay, once you download the file, I like to save it into its own folder to keep things organized. But you're going to extract, so extract all. Put it here in the same folder, and now you'll see Video Maker. Yeah, here's the software. So now here's the software. You just need to open it and put in your license. Grab that. Okay, and put your license key. Okay. Okay, so here's the video creator. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need an image folder and an audio folder. You're going to need at least 15 images, I would say, because it randomizes how many images it uses. But you need 15 to be able to make it work, because depending on the length of the video, it randomizes that. So you'll need to make sure you have enough images in there. And then for the audio folder, you'll need to create you can just grab free MP3 files is what you want to use, and each file needs to be at least 60 seconds because it's going to grab random clips out of there, and the videos can be up to that long. So you want to make sure that all the files are at least 60 seconds long. So what you're going to do, you're going to first select your image folder, and so I'm going to go to, let's see, desktop, software tools, training, Video Maker, and then I have a folder here with the images in them, so just select that folder, images, and then for the audio folder, I go to Video Maker, select the audio folder, and say select, and now I'm going to make 3 videos for this one, so let's just say start, and then you can see back here, it's creating the videos. They're going to be randomized in length and number of images. Okay, videos are created and saved in the videos folder, so I'll say okay. Let's go back to the videos folder, and here you can see the videos. So it just grabbed images and then it overlaid them with music and created the 3 videos that quick. So that's how you use the Video Maker.
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.